Hey everyone! I'm here today to blend two of my favorite things in the world, coding and cooking. It's not every day you get to combine such different passions, but today, we're going to make it happen in a fun and educational way. Specifically, we'll be diving into Python code while whipping up some delicious pancakes. Let's get started. This is going to be a deliciously geeky adventure. First things first, let's define a function in Python called. Just like in cooking, we'll have steps and ingredients, but here, everything is coded. Think of it as our recipe blueprint, guiding us through each step. Step 1 in our pancake code is to gather our ingredients. We'll need flour, baking powder, sugar, a pinch of salt, milk, an egg, melted butter, and a dash of vanilla extract. Each ingredient plays a crucial role, just like variables in our code. In the code, we use a function called that takes a list and returns a dictionary with all these items neatly stored. This helps us keep everything organized and easily accessible. Now, on to step 2. We mix all our dry ingredients. This is where the magic starts to happen, as we combine the foundational elements of our pancakes. This involves another function, where we pass in our flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. This function ensures that all our dry ingredients are well incorporated. The result? A nicely mixed dry concoction. It's like setting up the groundwork for our code, making sure everything is in place. Next up, step 3. We mix our wet ingredients using the function. This step is crucial for adding moisture and richness to our pancakes. This includes our milk, egg, butter, and vanilla. Each of these ingredients brings something unique to the table, just like different functions in a program. Just like before, we pass these into our function and get a creamy mixture. This is where our batter starts to take shape, much like how our code begins to form a cohesive program. Moving to step 4, it's time to combine these mixes. This is where the real magic happens, as we bring together the dry and wet elements. We take our dry mix and our wet mix and blend them together in a function called. This function ensures that our batter is smooth and lump-free, ready for cooking. This is where the magic happens, and our pancake batter comes to life. It's like seeing your code run successfully for the first time. Step 5, the exciting part, cooking the pancakes. This is where all our preparation pays off. We use a function where we take our batter and transform it into golden, fluffy pancakes. This step is akin to executing our code and seeing the final output. Finally, step 6, we serve these amazing pancakes. Presentation is key, just like the final output of a well-written program. We use the function, adding butter and maple syrup on top for that extra yum factor. This is the finishing touch, making our pancakes irresistible. And what's our output? Enjoy your delicious pancakes. Just like a successful program, our pancakes are ready to be enjoyed. So, there you have it, a fun and tasty way to learn Python. By combining coding with cooking, we've made the learning process enjoyable and memorable. Not only did we code our pancake making process, but we also learned how functions can help organize and execute tasks, just like in a real kitchen. This analogy helps us understand the importance of structure and order in both coding and cooking. I hope you enjoyed this unique blend of coding and cooking. It's amazing how two seemingly different activities can complement each other so well. Maybe next time we can add some chocolate chips to the code and the pancakes. Imagine the possibilities of customizing both your recipes and your programs. Until then, keep on coding and cooking. Bye. Remember, the kitchen and the keyboard are both places where creativity can flourish.